What's up, everybody? Today is another keyboard tutorial, and today I'm getting right straight into it, trying not to take too long. We're going over Tasha Cobb, You Know My Name, just from her latest album. You Know My Name is a real simple worshipy song. It's speaking to God, talking to God, and it's just an awesome song. So we're gonna get into it. It's gonna be on it's gonna be in the key of G major, in the key of G major. So it's real simple. Now this is I call it chorus 1 and chorus 2. So we got like 4 choruses to it, but 4 verses. I'm sorry, 4 verses. So. But this is the basis of this is the chords in the verse. They're the same keys for the first 2. Here we go. You. Are you doing bouncing from G major to C major? You know my name. You know my name. So that's it. On there, you know my. You start off on C, C major. Just keep going. C, E, G. You know my name. G major, G, B, D. You know my name. Same thing. You know my name. Say you know my. And I'm just doing this. You know my name. I'm just going. I'm just rolling the A to the B. I'm going. You know my. So roll the A to the B. So you know. Go back to the A and then B. My. Then C major. So you just roll into the B, back to the A, back to the B. So you know my name, C major. You just kind of pulse it. Then I do the same thing up here. You know my name. You know my. Oh, you don't have to do that up there. I would just follow it. Just you know my. You know my name. Oh, you know my name. You know my. Yeah, that's it. You know my name. So you know my. So I'm rolling the D to the E. So D to the E, D, C. So it's, you know my name, you know my name. Then roll it, you know my name. So roll D to the E, you know, and just go back down. You know my name. So you know my name. And then the verse. Oh, how he walks with me. La da da da. Oh, how he talks with me. Okay, I ain't gonna go through the whole thing. Just same thing, bouncing from G to C. And then a chorus to come. And then, Tasha Cobb verse come, the same thing. Oh, how you walk me. Oh, how you walk me. You know my name. Just bouncing back from G to C. Now, when they come again on the 3rd verse, all right, you do the same thing. You know my name, C major. Okay, and then you know my name, G major. We'll do that twice, okay? You know my name, C major. Okay, you know my name. I apologize. I don't want to change my color scheme. All right, sorry about that. All right, and then go to that C the third time. You know my name. I mean, not you my name. It's something else. I don't have the words with me. Okay, and then you go up to E minor 7. Okay, so instead of going back to the G, you go to E minor 7, which is G major, G, B, D over E, and then go back down to da da da. Go back to the C. Ba da da da. Okay, so on your verses, you're gonna bounce from C to G 4 times. C, G, C, G, C, G. But on this third and fourth verse, because the first and second is the same, and then the third verse and the fourth verse is the same. And on the third and fourth verse, you're gonna go C, okay, G, C, G. Third C, instead of going to G, you're gonna go to E minor 7, which is G over E. And what I do, I don't go from just straight to C to E minor 7. I go C, okay, I walk it up, D major. It sounds better to me when you walk it up down. Instead of going down, down, go down, down, down. And all that is C major, D major, which is D, F sharp, A. So I always add the 2 is E, so D, E, F sharp, A. And then I do it inverted, which is D, G, B. Same thing as G, B, D. And since I'm already on this D, I just do this, and then I switch up and go bam. You can do it however you want to do it. It sounds better to me. And then go back to C, G. And that's the fourth one. And then you go into the chorus with the same thing. You know my name. And you do that for the third verse and the fourth verse, okay? So, and that's that. And then on the fourth verse, after you do the last C, da, 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 and then go to G, okay? After you do that, then you go straight into the instrumental. So basically what that is when you go to the last C to G, you go A minor 7. All right, that's C major over A, C major over A. And then you go to G over B. I'm doing inverted, which is B, D, G, or G, B, D. Then you go to C major. Okay. Then you go to E minor 7, which is G major over E. This is inverted B, B, E, G. I'm sorry. Yeah. This is G major. Well, this is just a funky G major, but G major over E. I always do this, which is B, B, D, G. Same thing. G, B, D. Add the E. Okay, and then you go to the all right, so there's D major over F, and then before you go to the C major again, because you repeat it, instead of going back to, it's like a little you go G. Instead of going, I'm sorry, go. You go. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? That's how I hear it on the song. They go, instead of just going instead of going A minor 7, they hit G major first and then A minor 7. It's kind of quick. It's like, G, and then once you do that, go all the way up. And on that part, the last time you do it, the D major over F, all right, and then you go, he knows my name. Go back to the C major. He knows my name. You know, and that's pretty much it. No fire, no fire. Can it feed me? No, you hold my I'm sorry. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope that was helpful. I hope that was very instructional. I'll try to take my time. Very simple, very easy. I hope you guys have a blessed week and have a great day. I hope you're having a great day. If you're not, I hope and pray that you begin to have one right now. Have a great day. If you want me to do other Tasha Cobbs songs, put in the comments below. Have a great day.